Father, on my right hand, on my left hand side, thou power of God, in the name of Jesus. Move!
That's number 6.
Father, you told me there are 25 people that you put to sleep only for 5 minutes, and the life they live shall be transformed. They will overcome every obstacle on their way. Thou whose power has no measure nor comparison. Father, let this night be your children's night of new beginning. Arise and let your power break every yoke upon their path. Let the yoke be broken. Let it be broken. Let it be broken. Let it be broken. Father, move from person to person. For this night is a night of new beginning. What the enemy had taken from them shall not be returned. Father, you will start a school for them tonight. They will get to know what others do not know. Father, on my right hand side and my left hand side in front of me, all those who are saying, God, don't pass me by.